Hi guys, hope you're well. I'm just adding this video before the normal video where I drop you luxury handbags because we were in Paris this weekend and we've been stolen. So someone stole our Hermès bag, the only one, well, the most expensive bag that we had exposed during like the vintage market fair in Paris. We are under shock, I have to admit. It's very hard emotionally and financially. It's going to be very hard for a small business like us. I'm just gonna put you like here a video, well, a photo of the bag and of the serial number in case you see the bag, in case you can send to everyone that you know, like worldwide. It's not only in Paris because I guess the bag is going to go outside if they're not silly. But anyway, if you can send this to anyone you know, personal shopper, business like ours, like big ones, small ones, do not hesitate to share as much as you can, guys, please, because maybe the bag is not going to pop up right now, but maybe later, and we cross fingers. I'm going to make a video where I talk about what happened exactly, the story of this Sunday. It was not planned, but let's hope like it's going to be viewed like a lot of time and that people share this video. So I see, like, I'm going to make the normal video right now because I already filmed it last week before the event. But Sunday, guys, I will make the video of the story of the bag stolen, and let's pray we find the bag. Thank you so much for all your messages. Thank you for your support. It's quite hard for us. We are like a small business, of course. But thank you so much for all your love, your support, and everything. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone. I hope you're well. In today's video, I'm going to sell my luxury bags as every Wednesday. It's a backdrop day. If you don't know me, I'm Margot, alias margavalux. I'm French, and I do have my own business where I sell you luxury handbags, secondhand, pre-loved luxury handbags, and accessories. So in today's video, I'm going to start with the first handbag I have to sell today. This is a Gucci with the bamboo strap just here. This is a beautiful bag. This is a vintage bag. I have more bags coming, so stay until the end of the video because at the end of this video, I have an amazing one. But anyway, I do ship worldwide, guys. I ship from Europe, but I do ship worldwide. We have already clients from the US, Canada, north of Europe, anywhere in the world. Anyway, so we have this beautiful Jackie bag. This is black fabric and black leather in here and on the corners. You have the strap that is in bamboo. Bamboo strap are like very Gucci touch, I would say. This is very recognizable for the brand. And this is what I like, actually. I love their bag with the bamboo strap. Always, always, always. I don't know why, but I love it. It's so particular. It's so Gucci. It's so very specific. Okay, so the fabric is in a very good condition. Leather parts are amazing. Even the corners are in great condition, I would say. The back of the bag, you have here a little place where it's a little bit damaged, but otherwise that is good. Okay, to open the bag, you just press this side. It's very little and it's so freaking cute. Inside of the bag now is beautiful. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. Anyway, every bags and accessories that I'm showing to you in this video, you will have the link in the description below where you can go directly on the website, bamluxurystore.com. You have photos, descriptions, and you can see everything. Anyway, inside is gorgeous. It's like brand new. You have a zipper pocket also. This is perfect. And the price for this bag is €400. And we're going to go for the next one. Next item that I want to show you. Actually, it's not a bag. Well, it is. Or it is not. No, I'm going to start with the bag. Yeah, sorry. So, I have this Speedy. So the Speedy is a very classic and famous bag. This one is a size 40. This is the second time in BAM Luxury's history that I had a Speedy size 40. Usually it's 30, 35, or even sometimes 25. I do receive them quite a lot, often. So, but they sell very fast. So if you want one, do not hesitate to contact me directly on Instagram or on the website or in comment of this video because I'd be super happy to find you one, to source you one. But anyway, this one is a Speedy 40. The condition of the bag is gorgeous. It's pristine. It's amazing. It was worn, like it was used a little bit, but almost nothing. Like I mean, this is one of the Speedy that I have and that I had is best condition. The only thing about this bag is here you have initials. So it's not like the gold or silver initials. It's just stamped, but you can see it. So this is why the price is not that big because bag is in amazing condition. You still have like the zipper here. You have padlock and keys. Inside is gorgeous, and the price also is very nice because comparing like to the condition of the bag, it's 655 euro. This in store brand new is around like 1,400 euro, even more in size 40. So no, this is a very, very good one, a very good quality bag. Like the condition is amazing. I just had the initials, but you don't see them that much. It's a T and a M, so it can be like for many, many persons. I love it. What do you think about this bag? Like, guys, let me know which bag or accessories in this video that you prefer. Okay, next item that I want to show you and sell is that Louis Vuitton Agenda PM size monogram canvas. Gorgeous one. I do have my price tag here, but condition of this one is also very nice. Monogram canvas on the outside is perfect. The little button pressure has little marks. It was used a little bit. Inside also is very good, except for this part because of the you know, these parts, like these parts. So it has like a mark, I would say, but it's like usual. And the price for this one is 199 euro, which is very nice for this type of item. Like, guys, this is insane, actually. I don't know what to say because the price is very good and the item too. Okay, let's go back to something else that I have and that I love, and you do more and more also. So we do have the papillon. It's called like the butterfly. The papillon from Louis Vuitton in monogram canvas. This is the vintage bag, I would say. They do not produce this bag anymore at Louis Vuitton directly. So you can only buy this bag secondhand. So this is what I love. This is a pre-loved. Condition is gorgeous on this one. I don't think it was like used that much because condition is very, very good on the outside. The hardware is like a bit used, I would say, with time, obviously, but otherwise it's very good. And inside is leather, brown leather. It's beautiful, like no stain. I think it was not that worn, like that used. So this is kind of crazy. I'm so impressed with the condition of the bag. Sometimes I'm like, wow, guys, the quality of pre-loved and vintage bags are so much better than the brand new ones. And it's clearly the case because it's so like heavier, quality is way better. You can feel it actually. And the price for this one is 540 euro, which is quite good for this type of bags. Nowadays, a bag at Louis Vuitton of this size is minimum 1,300 euro. Minimum, guys. So this is good. Okay, another bag, change of brands. We are going to talk about Prada. So I do have this mini bag from Prada in nylon. This is a black nylon bag. I do love it. The condition is good. It's not amazing, it was used, but it's good. You have like a little strap just here, like the zipper works perfectly. The nylon on the outside has little stain. Well, you can see it's a bit used. It's not stained, but it's a bit used. But otherwise, I love it how it looks like. I'm gonna try to have photos and video just here next to my face. This way you can see how it looks like when I wear it. Inside also is very good. You have no stain inside. Actually, it's very good. I do have my price tag here. Price is 420 euro, which is very low also for this type of luxury handbags. Even if it was like used, I love it. I really like this one actually. Like, I tried it and wore it like for the photos and the videos, and let me tell you, it's actually a very cute one. And I need to show you, like, it fits so many things inside. Like, you have, for example, the agenda from Louis Vuitton. It fits perfectly. You can fit like your wallet, your phone, your sunglasses, whatever, your keys and etc. It will fit. So this is actually a very good size. You can wear it like during the summer, you can do it during your winter, during the day, during the night. It's a very perfect, versatile bag actually. This is what I like. Okay, another bag. This is a classic one, and this is my favorite tote ever. This is the Never Full from Louis Vuitton. This one is Damier Ébène. I love it. Condition of this bag, I would say, is good, very good. Excellent inside, but outside you have little things that are a little bit damaged, used. The canvas is amazing, like no stain, nothing I have to say. This is gorgeous, gorgeous. The thing on the outside is the strap that are like start to be used here on these parts. It's quite usual on this type of bag, like it's usual a lot. Otherwise, other part of the bag that has like used it's here, these parts and these parts where you have like a section. It's where you have normally like the section thing, so it's damaged a little bit, but it's nothing that big here too. It's nothing that important, you know, it's just, it is how it is because the bag was used a little bit, but otherwise inside is amazing. Inside is brand new, like you have no stain inside. It's in very good condition. Even like the pocket inside, zipper pocket, usually like because it's a bit plastic inside, usually in this pocket like the plastic starts to peel a little bit, but here nothing. Like inside is quite incredible, I would say. And the price for this bag is amazing. It's 960 euro, so it's very, very good bargain. It's a very good deal for you, and I think this bag will sold out very quick. So if you want it, you're watching this video, go check the website. Go check the website right now. You have the link down below because it's gonna sell very fast. Okay, next. I do have another couple, so I'm so freaking excited because this one is insane. I love it. This one is a size 60. This is the biggest size you can get, so it's a very good size also. You have keys and padlock. You have a tag, like the name tag. You have the suitcase attached. Everything is here. Condition is good, very good, I would say. No, very, very good, I would say. You have no huge stain. You have a little stain here, but otherwise, condition is so good. Like you do not have like huge folds. It's very good. Here you have a little bit, but otherwise, even like handles are very good. You have little stains, but it's very minor. I love it because it's not two-toned, you know, it's not that vintage one, so it's not that vintage, and inside also is very good, so I'm super happy. And the price for this one is 620 euro, so 600 for a couple, that's very good because like right now, nowadays, on the website, it's more than 2,000 euro, so we do have very good prices, even in the US. We do ship from Europe. So if you live outside of Europe, outside of Schengen space, you will have to pay customs upon arrival, but it's still very interesting even if you pay customs. My clients from the US can tell you, my clients from UK also, even if you pay customs, the price is still very, very good for you. So if you have questions, if you want to ask me how much approximately customs can be, let me know. I can check how much it can be approximately. I do not have an exact same price in mind because depends sometimes a little bit, but usually I can give you like an estimation, and it's usually this price. Thank you again for watching my channel. I really hope you enjoy. Let me know. Tell me in the comment which bag did you prefer on this selection this week. Anyway, otherwise I do bag drop day every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. on YouTube. 6:30 p.m. Paris time. I prefer to, to be precise. But yeah, I do have new bags and accessories every Wednesday, guys. So if you need something, if you're looking for something that I do not have yet, contact me. Maybe I can find it for you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.